Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious pork Hamonado roll. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of thinly sliced pork belly, perfect for rolling. Also, prepare 1 cup of pineapple juice, a half cup of soy sauce, and a 1/4 cup of vinegar. Don't forget 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 sliced onion, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Let's get cooking. Now, let's prepare our pork. Lay each thin slice of pork belly flat on a clean surface. Season them lightly with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, evenly spread your minced garlic and sliced onions over each piece. Carefully roll each pork slice tightly, then secure it firmly with kitchen twine. Once all your rolls are ready, place them neatly into a deep dish, preparing them for the flavorful marinade. It's time to cook our Hamonado rolls. Pour the pineapple juice, soy sauce, vinegar, and brown sugar directly over the pork rolls in the dish. Toss in the whole black peppercorns for an aromatic touch. Bring this delicious liquid to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the dish and let it simmer for about 1 to 1.5 hours, turning the rolls occasionally to ensure even cooking and maximum flavor absorption. Our pork Hamonado rolls are almost ready. Carefully remove the tender cooked rolls from the pot and set them aside. Now, bring the remaining sauce to a simmer over medium heat, allowing it to reduce and thicken into a luscious glaze. Once the sauce is perfect, slice your Hamonado rolls into beautiful 1-inch thick pieces. Arrange them on a serving platter and generously drizzle that rich, thickened sauce over every single piece. Enjoy this delightful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.